Mmm. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause I'm in love, 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 love. See, Dada done told me, if you ever go and find that one. Finally resting now. We got our food here with us.
Back to work next week, so.
This is easy, guys.
Ai, for fora.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So, this morning is a Sunday and I'm about to cook gongai. I'm making soup. I've got lasagna in the fridge that I'm going to put in the oven, and also Aussie's meant to be going to go and get galo, taro, but Mans is still lying down. So at the moment I've just cut up my chicken wings. I also brewed my chicken broth the other night. I usually just brew chicken brackets or chicken backs, or like the bracket of the chicken, but there's not enough gelatin in there. That's why it's not as jelly as the bone broth and the lamb broth that I usually cook. But if I had a bit more of the gelatin parts, definitely there'd probably be a bit more jelly to it. So we finally came back home. I don't know if you guys knew that we went to the shops, but we did. Finished cooking now, so we got lasagna. We got lasagne. We got soup. I made chicken soup. And Aussie made falifu fay. I'm so palangi. I don't know how to say that word. Aussie, can you remind me?
Falifu
What? Falifu filet?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you explain to some of them what that is?
It's banana. You know banana?
Yeah, I know banana.
The green banana, not the yellow banana. The green one.
The green one, yeah. Hey guys, so I'm just cooking dinner at the moment. It's a little bit dark. This is my first time cooking broad beans. These things. And I don't know if you're supposed to peel this thing off. Like, let me show you. I don't know if you're supposed to peel this layer off. They have like a nice smell. I guess you are, because like, look at that. Alright, so I'm going to peel these for dinner. I got these from the farmer's market. Apparently you don't eat the thingy. Shout out to Faye. I'm also watching her. I'm going to have some dinner as well. These are really good. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get these more often. It's my first time trying it, and at the farmer's market I was asking the guy how to cook it. So he gave me all the tips. It's just a lot of work to be honest, because like if you can't eat the shell that comes in this, all of that, and this is all I get. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, can I eat that or not? Or is it just this green thing in there? Morning, guys. Just continuing another day in our weekly vlog. It's just me today, guys. It's just me. I'm not sure what to do today. It's my sister's birthday. So first of all, happy birthday, Sia. This time last year, actually, we were in Jervis Bay. We were in Jervis Bay the day of her birthday. And Aussie and I went and bought cupcakes or muffins, and we sang happy birthday at the motel that we were at. We had such a bad experience at that Jarvis motel. But happy birthday to my sister. I dedicate this vlog to you. Honestly, Aussie brings his crap in here and then just leaves it there. These need to be packed away. I'm going to see if I can get started on one vlog, because I'm trying to post a video every 3 days on this channel. No, I had it yesterday.
Chuck it one more time. Let's go!
Move! Stinky breath. Ooh yeah, baby girl. We're gonna go and get some collagen, some stinging nettle root from the health food store. It's a bit hot, it's getting hotter. It's definitely getting hotter, guys. We're getting to that point where it's like summer, but not really summer.
Yeah, sweaty.
So pretty much spring.
So we're getting to the time that we sweaty everywhere.
Sweaty in your ball sacks. Who made me a fool in love, and now he cooling. She had my heart on fire. Oh, what about this one? Bringing back the old school jam. Call me a ganja fan. Oh no, it's this one for me. It's this one, Aussie. Guys, for copyright purposes, I can't let the song play, so here we go. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause I'm in love, 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 love. 'Cause I'm in love, love. See, Dada done told me, if you ever gon' find that one, make sure she's beautiful inside. 'Cause you can see the truth and no realness to her eyes. And if she gives you butterflies, butterflies, she's the kind that there'll always be there by your side. Listen to me now, I'm so deeply in love. I think I found the one to spoil with. This one is the jam. Aussie!
Yeah. Oh, song, baby. Before we meet, let's go. This song bring me down, let's go.
Oh my gosh, this gives me memes, bro. Every time we used to come to Samoa, Aussie's smiling hard out because he remembers. Kami na nga bestseller ko amoy pia. Yes, yes. La wasa solo yo lang ah. Hey, no more. Judge no more. Putting on the side and just ignore them with those in need.
This is my favorite song, guys.
Nah, mine's not. Mine hasn't come yet. I'll show you mine.
This is the song I used to put on my ringing tone in back home. My old phone.
Oh, see.
Oh.
This reminds me of like sitting on the bus on the way to a beer. Like Samoa was so different back in 2009, 2007, early 2000s were like the prime years of Samoa in my opinion. Say ne, say amaya oso manatu. Promise I'll do anything to comfort you, my darling.
I never broken one.
'Cause I don't wanna see you crying. This song, man, gives you so much memories. I was probably around 17 when this song came out, and I used to go to Samoa like all the time. I used to stay there like 2 to 3 months at a time with my mum and dad. It was such a vibe. There was so much youth there, and like the Okolovo for so many churches were like massive. But now they're like, I feel like
no one's.
Yeah, there's no one.
Somewhere.
Everyone's like gone out, or they've all like the era now in Samoa is like as soon as you hit 16, 17,
yeah.
You go straight from being like a teen into motherhood or like wifehood. You know what I mean? Guys, we just picked up some stuff from the healthy food store, and we also got a little surprise. We got another video coming soon. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. We're starting off a new vlog. Today is a Saturday and I went to bed really late last night. I was on TikTok live. We stayed up until 2, I think 2:30 in Australian time. So in New Zealand, there were a few New Zealanders on there. It would have been like 5, almost 5 or something like that. Yala loyal, love you guys a lot. Trying not to have as many of those nights because it really messes with my sleeping pattern. Like I didn't wake up until 11:30 today. I usually go to the farmer's market. I couldn't go today because obviously it was closed by the time I woke up. Today, Aussie and I are off. We're going somewhere special. You guys will see. You guys will definitely see. Hey, Georgie.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, it's Saturday. We have to spend this day because I'm gonna back to work next week. So, enjoy the week, you know?
Yep. So, this office is a mess because of Aussie. I haven't been in here all week.
Slow down, then baby, you're not gonna get on that on go. I've been waiting all my life to be that someone. You're gonna have to so.
Alright guys, we just pulled up. This is like the new thing. You can't go anywhere else. Everyone just comes to the park. Guys, we're just trying to find the perfect spot. I seen my sister and some friends over there next to like
Yeah, we'll just go next street.
Nice. Perfect. I love it. What a beautiful day for a lovely picnic. Finally resting now. We got our food here with us.
We're having a picnic. Let's go.
So I brought my little table. I don't know why or if I need it, but let's try it. Don't mind the toes in there. So this is our first time having Red Rooster in probably like 4 years. Aussie, I'm pretty sure this is yours. Yeah, that's yours. Okay, we obviously didn't get the fried chicken. They just gave us buttermilk. I'm so annoyed. We literally went there to try out their fried chicken. And she told us that we would have fried chicken in our... Yeah, that's yours. In our boxes. She said that there would be a 20-minute wait, but we would still get fried chicken in our boxes. They literally gave us buttermilk chicken. So we also got these.
No spoon.
Yeah, they didn't give us spoons either.
No spoon.
I also got onion rings. I had one in the car, and I honestly think Hungry Jack's ones are better. Next week, kaya makay diet. I've been eating so bad. So bad. What do you think?
Yeah, nice. Oh, the chicken is nice. Vai mas sipong ilaw pa. Wala may era vai nga sipong. Yeah. Mga ayon mo, sefet po nga ibi. Aware coleslaw. You have to do some picnic with your family, you know? Go have a picnic. Spend some quality time with some fresh air down under the tree, yeah. Fresh air, you know.
This is so beautiful.
Good for you.
Guys, this is the burger. I can't even remember what this is called, but I swear Aussie is so gay with his Fortnite crew. They literally talk all the time. If you want, he can come and move in with you guys if you really want to. Look at this guy. I'm currently live on TikTok, and I'm gonna just give a quick shout out to anyone who comments right now. So, shout out to Coyote, Bana, Chokas, Angale, Angale! Angale's on! We're still in Canberra, Kuwasi, 26, Vesiasova, I hope I'm saying it right. Our heart boy, shout out, it's Gigi baby, Nancy, Papa, Hi guys, Angel, Sharon, Glory Bao Bao. I can't keep up. Christine Tao Fao. Shout out guys. All of you guys got a shout out in our next video. Birthday shout out please. Oh, Uelese, say happy birthday to Uelese. Happy birthday Uelese.
Happy birthday to Uelese.
From SV Squad, from Siaosi and Victoria.
Guys,
we're requesting with Aussie's sister on TikTok. Siomia's on there as well.
Oh.
Who's older? Amelia's older.
That's my older sister.
We always get asked in our vlogs how Siosi's family. Everyone always wants an update on Siomia and Mum. It's mine. Oh, it's Punya Lava. Hi, Punya Lava.
Hello, Punya Lava. Yeah. Makarukala sure fire.
Totally, la perma. I don't get funny self jealous.
Ah, shame.
I don't know what they're getting.
Ula vinaka. Vinaka vakalevus.
We're finally home. The battery of the camera died, so we couldn't film anymore, but it was so relaxing, so beautiful. I can't wait to have another picnic again. That was like, I really needed that. It was just so calming and amazing. Oh my gosh. My horse rack just fell over. When we came home, I had a parcel at the door. So my supplements came. I don't know if you watched my video on my Vicolia page, but you would know what supplements I'm talking about. I also ordered some maca powder, organic maca powder, to go in our smoothies. And also these bad boys came, guys. It's Choc Zero, so it's got no sugar in it. It's a buttercup. Honestly, I never got what the hype was about like having peanut butter in chocolate. I never got that. That never fazed me at all. But since being on keto and following a lot of like, because I got a really bad sweet tooth, but following a lot of keto desserts, it calls for a lot of peanut butter stuff. So this is white chocolate and peanut butter, I guess. It is a bit melted. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It has a weird taste. Maybe it needs to be hard. I'll put it in the fridge. I'll give it another try. Aussie and I are just heading over to Mum and Dad's to cut the kids' hairs. I've also just taken some stuff from my cupboard to make some pai over there. Yep. Look at Aussie. Look at Aussie boy. So guys, I just wanna tell you guys something. What they do a boy there, Uncle Chancho there, and for your okafa. What suya for ringasod?
Smacks gram berikan kedai. I'm Mexico. Mexico.
Kide no boy there, vatos only. Vatos locos. Someone mole happen for come maila no se si po ile kaka.
Vato.
Lo que fiu es o ko ro que dei do po ile kaka. Ole sini ala ualanga susulu ala euphorina. Look how nice the woods look. Yeah, that's like well organized. All right. Okay, ready? Oh my god! Ow, that hurt so bad. Okay. This is easy. This is easy, guys.
Ay, for faria.
What are you laughing at?